At Ekona, we are making low-cost, industrial-scale hydrogen whenever and wherever it is needed. The Ekona Excalibur reactor is a post-methane pyrolysis process. We inject combustion energy, fuel and oxygen into the reactor. We break down the molecule of hydrocarbon into hydrogen and a solid carbon. Due to the fact that we use combustion energy for our pyrolysis process, we do not require electricity for the chemical process. Another value proposition of Ekona's technology is we are making a solid carbon, and therefore this technology is very deployable globally, where there is no access to CO2 sequestration infrastructure. We are working with several academias to test and validate the morphology of this carbon for it to be applied to the construction and agricultural industry. Addressing global climate change is one of the largest endeavours the world has ever had to face. At Ekona Power, we are removing the carbon from natural gas to decarbonise the natural gas industry. Our solid carbon that we make as a co-product is currently being tested to replace high-emitting materials within construction and agriculture. Within Ekona, our scientists are continuously looking for efficiencies and opportunities to improve the reactor and the emissions. We will be working with upstream producers to work on upstream emissions. We are also looking at the feedstock development. We will be working with producers of renewable natural gas to test and validate the use of RNG. Where we see the biggest relevance of Ekona's technology on a global scale is those hard to decarbonise areas that do not have access to CO2 sequestration infrastructure. The ideal place for Ekona's technology is also to develop our export industry in Canada, exporting LNG to Asia and Europe, and to have Ekona's technology at the customer site to decarbonise that natural gas. I arrived in Alberta 16 years ago and emigrated to a country and province that was full of like-minded, entrepreneurial, enthusiastic, trustworthy people. Ekona could not have developed this technology without immense support from partnerships, strategic relationships, and government officials. The province of Alberta has been a huge support within the production of hydrogen and the hydrogen hub here in Alberta to bring this to commercialisation. At Ekona, we wouldn't be where we are today without the continuous government support through CRIN. It has helped us achieve milestones, build partnerships, extend relationships, and deploy this technology to where it is today. Where we see our technology evolving in the next 5 to 10 years is we have our 200 kilogram a day reactor in Burnaby, BC, in our 10,000 square foot testing and validation facility. We are also deploying a 1 ton a day pilot here in Alberta. We will continue to scale this technology to meet market demands to a 20, 100 and 300 ton per day capacity.